Form 15CA and 15CB filing, made easy by Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. If you're sending money abroad from India, whether for business, education, investments, or personal reasons, you may need to file Form 15CA and 15CB. These are crucial for staying compliant with Indian tax laws and FEMA regulations. Sounds complicated? That's where Filings Corner steps in, to simplify it all for you. With a team of expert chartered accountants and tax professionals, we handle your foreign remittance documentation accurately, efficiently, and stress-free. What are Form 15CA and Form 15CB? Let's break it down. Form 15CA is a declaration you submit to the Income Tax Department before making a foreign remittance. It confirms that the required taxes have been deducted, if applicable. Form 15CB is a certificate issued by a chartered accountant. It verifies whether the remittance is taxable and ensures compliance with Indian tax laws and applicable tax treaties. Together, these forms are mandatory for most outward remittances and are required by both banks and tax authorities. Why are these forms important? Here's why Form 15CA and 15CB matter. Legal compliance ensures you fulfill your tax obligations before remitting funds abroad. Avoids penalties. Non-compliance can lead to fines under the Income Tax Act and FEMA. Required by banks. These forms are mandatory before banks process your remittance. Secures transactions. Helps avoid legal issues and tax-related scrutiny. When do you need Form 15CA and 15CB? You typically need Form 15CA, Part C, plus Form 15CB when the remittance is taxable in India and exceeds Rs 5 lakh. Form 15CA, Part A or B when the amount is below Rs 5 lakh but still taxable. Form 15CA, Part D only when the payment is non-taxable due to DTAA exemptions. No forms needed for remittances covered under Rule 37BB exemptions. Will help you determine exactly what applies to your case. Our Form 15CA, June 15CB filing services. At Filings Corner, we offer end-to-end support, including 1 expert advisory and assessment. We evaluate whether forms are needed and assess the taxability under the Income Tax Act and DTAA provisions. 2. Preparation and filing of Form 15CA. Our team prepares and submits the declaration electronically with accurate categorization under the correct RBI purpose codes. 3. CA certification, Form 15CB. Certified by our chartered accountants, we ensure all tax implications are properly analyzed and applicable deductions are correctly handled. 4. Coordination with banks. We assist in submitting the forms to your bank and respond to any queries they raise during the remittance process. 5. FEMA compliance. We provide guidance on permissible remittances under FEMA, including necessary approvals if required. Documents you'll need to file your Form 15CA and 15CB. Keep the following ready. PAN and address details of the remitter. Name, address, and country of the recipient. Purpose of the remittance with the correct RBI code. SWIFT IBAN details and bank account info. Agreements or invoices supporting the payment. DTAA documents if claiming treaty benefits. TDS details if any tax is being deducted. Why choose Filings Corner? Expert team tailored solutions, full service support. Quick turnaround. Compliance assurance. Contact us today to book a consultation and ensure your foreign remittance is smooth, compliant, and on time. Visit www.filingscorner.com to get started. Filings Corner. Foreign remittance compliantly handled.